I've had a lot of people ask me, how do you print white ink? So I put together this little video for you guys. I wanted to share the secret with you, and I hope it really helps you guys. So as you can see, I have this really nice craft paper that I'm gonna print my soap label on, and it's kind of dark, and I really wanted my white tea and ginger label to pop. So I wanted to print white ink. So I'm gonna show you guys my process of how to do that, and please feel free to ask any questions. All right, hope you enjoy.